Hi, I'm Aaron Shiu from La Spezia, Manila, and I'm here to show you how to make different pasta shapes from 4 different pasta doughs. Orecchiette originated in the province of Puglia. The name Orecchiette, which means little ears in Italian, is a reference to its round concave shape which can scoop up small vegetables. Raviolis are one of the more popular pasta shapes. It refers to all kinds of filled pasta. Traditionally, raviolis are boiled and served with a rich sauce or sometimes even in a broth. Sangne and cannellate. Like the orecchiette originated in Puglia, it's a pasta shape that's usually served in a rich tomato sauce and is topped with ricotta cheese and basil. Lorighittas originated from the island of Sardinia. Its name comes from the word lorigas, which loosely translates to iron ring. This is quite an obscure shape, so outside of Italy, no restaurants really make this. It's almost like a forgotten shape. Tortellini piancetini is a pinched, pie-shaped braids that come with a kind of tail. These are very difficult to make and requires a weaving style in order to seal the pasta. Tortellini is maybe one of the most popular variants of filled pasta. It's a lot like capelletti in shape, and in the kind of meat filling it is usually stuffed with. But the difference is that tortellinis are a lot smaller. This takes a bit of practice to make, but it's quite a common pasta shape. Strozapretti, literally priest chokers in Italian. Strozapretti's hangman knot shape was inspired by quite a dark history. Across Italy, you can find recipes for this shape with names like strangled bishop with lemon and strangled bishop with cheese and fennel. Pappardelle. Pappardelle comes from the Italian word papare, which means to gobble up. These are very broad, flat strands that shouldn't be too long. It originated from the region of Tuscany, and they can be frozen or dried and kept for a little bit.